So they moved this thing from 24 to 48 processing hours time, right, to 5 business days. Still, they don't deliver in the 5 business days again. I had to wait 3 weeks, like 3 to 4 weeks, for 100 USD payout. I was like, yo, we won't get our money. Yeah, you know. AOA people, what's happening, man? This soldier thing, man. I don't even know how real soldiers do this thing, bro. But then, yeah, man, captains, lieutenants, and generals, I hope you are good. So, me personally, as the general of the army, I feel, man, I owe you guys an honest review of Equity Edge, because I see the numbers on the videos that I'm talking about Equity Edge, or I'm trading the Equity Edge account. So it's only right I give you guys an honest review, because I see a lot of people are getting it wrong, right? First things first, bro. I am not working with Equity Edge whatsoever. They are not paying me anything, guys. I'm just posting it because it happens to be one of the firms that I'm funded with, and I'm getting payouts, and I'm documenting my journey on YouTube. So it's only right I post Equity Edge, so to show you guys what firm I'm working with, but they are not paying me. So it's not promo or anything. This will be an honest review. So the first thing that attracted me to Equity Edge, guys, let's not lie, it's the prices, guys. So Equity Edge is actually cheap as hell, guys. I paid 185 rands for my first ever account with them, and I passed it. I got funded, and I got 3 payouts from that particular account. So I paid 185 rands, and I was able to withdraw around 4,000, 5,000 rands. So my return on investment there, my ROI there was insane, guys. I actually made money from that account. That's why I stuck with them. I buy a 10K, you can get it maybe using discount codes. You can get it for like 20 something US dollars. I mean, which prop firm will give you a 10K account for 20 something US dollars? You know, so now that I'm using it, I don't even care, because there are people who are saying, yo, this Equity Edge thing is not make sure, maybe they might disappear. I'm like, yo, bro, I don't care, because I have already made my money with them. You know what I'm saying? The money I spent buying challenges and the money I actually got as my payouts, I win at the end of the day. So why not try and buy accounts with them back to back, back to back? Even if they leave, bro, I know I don't lose anything. And this is why I always tell you guys, immediately after getting funded, get that first payout. You know what I'm saying? Don't try and do funny things, flipping, whatever, whatever. Just get your money and then break even, get profit. So whatever happens, you don't actually lose. So let's talk about the spread, guys. First things first, because I used a different prop firm that I won't mention, and their spread was ridiculous. Their spread was ridiculous. So I'm paying a lot of money to get the challenge, and then you're giving me this shitty spread. So their spread is cool too, it's decent, I'm not complaining. I'm able to execute my trades and get into profit, no problem. I'm cool with that. So that's another W. And then the what you call the platform, guys. Unfortunately, you can't trade MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, as now they only have MatchTrader. So MatchTrader is the platform you see on my videos when I'm trading my funded accounts, right? That's MatchTrader right there. I personally don't have a problem when it comes to the platform, because I know I just go on Facebook to analyze my chart, do what I have to do. I only go on MatchTrader to execute, right? To enter that buy or that sell, set my take profit, set my stop loss. I'm out of there. So a platform to me is not really a train smash. It's not a deal breaker like that. So I'm cool with that. So now let's move to support. So I have mixed feelings when it comes to support, because they are quick, right? They will respond to you, but then sometimes I find it hard to differentiate whether I'm talking to a real human being or it's just a robot. You know what I'm saying? Because I feel like a lot of the responses they give out, it's just a copy and paste. Everyone is getting the same response, right? of which is a little bit tricky, especially when it comes to the payout questions, because now that's my money there, that's my withdrawal I want to know about. And then I see you're just responding the same thing to everyone, it's a little bit sus. I wish I had like a human being who would like listen to me. Yo, bro, I've been waiting for my payout for this long. Please check my account. Listen, don't just respond with a, question. Don't just respond with a copy and paste answer. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing that's rubbing me wrong. But then they actually do get to respond to you fast. So I don't know whether that's a W or an L. So guys, here is the elephant in the room now. Here is the big problem now, the payout. I know everyone wants to know about the payout. Guys, trust me, I'm also crying with you when it comes to the payout. See, and one of my friends said, yo bro, this is the price you gotta pay for buying cheap challenges, because Equity Edge is cheap, is affordable when it comes to buying the challenge. But then now you gotta pay for it when it comes to getting your withdrawal, because getting a payout from Equity Edge is a mission. I actually did get all of my payouts previously that I requested for, but then the question is how long? How many tickets did I have to make? How many times did I have to beg life support to check my accounts to, you know what I'm saying? So let's just get into it then. At first, Equity Edge, when you request a payout, they used to take your account, right? They take your account and then they deduct whatever profits that you make, and then they give your account back for you to trade. But then now they have changed that, and I feel that's where now everything, for me personally, that's where it rubbed me off the wrong way. Because now what they do is, when you request a payout, right, they take your account, so you can't trade the account, no? And then they keep it until you receive the payout. Now that's not a problem or a train smash if they did what was advertised on the net. Now this is what I'm saying. Let me cook. When I joined Equity Edge, the payout processing time was 24 to 48 hours, right? Cool. Of which my first payout now, they took the account. I still remember, after like 2-3 hours, they gave the account back with the initial balance now, meaning the profits were all deducted now. So all I had to do was continue trading while waiting for the payout, of which was cool. But then now everything changed on my, so even then they were not like honoring the 24 to 48 hours, because I got my withdrawal after like 5 days, of which was a bit sus. But I was cool because I was already trading, making more profits. Cool. Now the problem starts on my third payout. This is where they started this thing of taking the account, and then you can only get it back the day you receive the payout. Now this again is not a problem if they were paying on time, but then the thing is they're not paying on time, guys. Equity Edge doesn't pay on time. So now I had to wait 3 weeks. Just imagine 3 weeks to get like 100 and something payout, of which is crazy to me. It's like, what? And then they changed it. They were like, okay, there is a backlog. They had to transition from MetaTrader to match trader, right? From MetaTrader to match trader. So that process, like, they got delayed, whatever, backlog and all of these things, of which I understood. I mean, and this is like 4 months back, but then even today we're still having the same chat. Okay, let me cook again. So I had to wait, right, 3 weeks just to get 100 and something US dollars payout, of which didn't make sense to me. So they changed it. They were like, okay, we're no longer processing in 24 to 48 hours. We are now processing in 5 working days. I was like, yo, we won't get our money. Yeah. Okay, I was like, cool. It's fine, because now that means in 5 business days, you'll get the payout. Yo, boy, I was wrong, bro. I was wrong again. So now, even though they moved this thing from 24 to 48 processing hours time, right, to 5 business days. Still, they don't deliver in the 5 business days again. I had to wait 3 weeks, like 3 to 4 weeks for 100 USD payout. So that's why I was like, yo, that this payout thing is now a problem, right? Because at some point, I think it was like 2 months after I started using Equity Edge, they were saying their backlog is now at 80%. They're 80% done, and now I'm in, like, it's like been 5 months now. They are still having backlog, and now they no longer even tell you we are at 85% or whatever, because now obviously it wouldn't make sense. You said you were on 80% 3 months ago. Even now you are still, say, so now they no longer even share what percentage they are on or whatever. You just have to wait. But then now recently I see they said end of October, right? By end of October the backlog would be done, of which I don't believe. I'm not happy, or you know what I'm saying, because that's what they said a few months back, like, okay, you know what, soon everything will be on track, whatever. They've been saying this thing. Hopefully it does, end this backlog thing, and then we get our payouts on time, because that would be awesome. I genuinely, bro, I have no doubt in my mind, if Equity Edge can start paying people on time, it would be the best prop firm out there, bro. Because now the prices are cheap, they would be paying people on time. They would have their market share, bro, would increase like nobody's business. They would have all the traders. So, and this is why now I understand everything has its pros and cons. So pro, you'll get a challenge for cheap. The con is that your payout will take 4 weeks just for you to get $100 payout. And this is not me bashing them or whatever, because I love them. They were the first ever prop firm to pay me, to give me that payout certificate. I've never seen that until Equity Edge came. So I love Equity Edge, yeah, but then, yeah, when it comes to payout, they are failing us dismally, dog. Dismally. It's insane. They don't pay on time, guys. Equity Edge just doesn't pay on time. So do I think because of that I will stop trading with Equity Edge? No, because I do get my money at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? You just now need to accept the fact that they don't pay on time. Don't come in thinking, okay, I'm gonna make profit and I'm gonna withdraw whatever. It's going to be that simple, because it's not. We all are waiting, unfortunately, and it can be 3 weeks. Some people wait over a month just to get a payout with Equity Edge. And again, I'm not making this up. Just go on Discord, you'll actually see I personally had to wait 3 to 4 weeks to get my payout, right? So there is this I love you soldiers, I love my soldiers, man, but then some comments are just like, yo, bro, they give me a headache. So I got my 5K challenge. I'm gonna withdraw every week from now until December. So I'll be having like 4,000 USD, which is like 70 something thousand. I'll just post the comment here so you soldiers don't think I'm lying. Here's the comment over here. So now I tell the person, I'm like, yo, bro, it doesn't work like that. With Equity Edge, guys, as I was saying, with Equity Edge, you can only place a withdrawal once every 14 days. So him saying he wants to withdraw every week is already out the way, right? Because let's say you get your live account on the first of the month, meaning you'll only get to place a withdrawal on like the 14th day or something like that, right? So let's say you place a withdrawal on that day, and then they take your account. Like I said, they take your account, right? And then let's say it's the same situation as mine, whereby you get your withdrawal after 3 to 4 weeks. So that's now another month, bro. That's now another month, because a month has like what, 31 days. You place a withdrawal on the 14th, they take your account, you get the payout after 3 weeks, meaning you get the account and the payout after 3 weeks. For you to place a trade, and then you get it after 14 days. So that's how it goes. So meaning basically, if things continue this way with Equity Edge, you can only place a withdrawal once a month in an account, right? I hope my math is good on this one. So again, you get your account on the first of the month, right? You place a withdrawal. This is your live account, and then the payout date is you can withdraw on the 14th day of that particular month. You place a withdrawal on the 14th, right? They take your account and then you wait for the withdrawal for like 3 weeks, like I did. That's another month, bro. So you can only withdraw once a month with Equity Edge. With my experience, this is what I've been through and this is what I'm going through. I'm currently waiting for my 5th payout right now. I'll probably get it like the 21st or something like that. So let's say I trade, I make profit. When will I withdraw? After 14 days. That's another month. And then I wait 3 weeks again. That's another month. So it's insane. It's insane. I don't know, guys. I don't know. But then yeah, if Equity Edge would sort out its payout thingy, it would definitely be the best. But then since now this is happening, I have to, I'm thinking about Fund It Next, guys, because hey, they really have me with that 24 hours payout. If we don't pay you in 24 hours, we'll give you a thousand US dollars on top. Yeah, so definitely Equity Edge. No, not Equity Edge, man. Fund It Next. Fund It Next, I'm coming. Fund It Next, I'm coming. It seems like they do deliver on their promises and all of that. So yeah, let's see. I'll definitely update you guys on my 5th payout with Equity Edge. It's the one that I'm currently waiting on right now. I've been waiting for like a week now. Yeah, it's been a week. But then I'm not even like anticipating it. Like look, they're watching, because I know it'll come after like 3 weeks or a month or something like that. And it's not even a big payout. But then it's fine. I'll update you guys on that. But then for now, I think it's time we see what Funded Next has for us in store, man. Yes, sir.